And welcome to our channel Somali Ayo and Ebon. So today I'll be going on the street and asking Europeans what they know about Somalia. You know, people learn about stuff through social media, through the media, in schools and stuff like that. So today I'll be asking them what do they know about Somalia and have they even heard of Somalia before. Guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also more videos coming for you about Somalia and everything around Somalia and my reactions about Somalia. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos also. Okay, so let's hear what
Yes.
Have you heard of Somalia before?
Yes. Yeah.
Where?
A friend of ours. I don't know if he's really from... Yeah, Appie. Yeah, a friend of her. Yeah.
Guy or girl?
A guy.
A guy, okay. And what did he tell you about Somalia? What do you know about Somalia?
Nothing, just that he comes from there. He comes from there. I don't know really a thing about it.
But aside that, like in school, did you learn anything about Somalia from the TV?
Not really, actually. No.
No?
Yeah, it's a country, but not more like others. Yeah.
Do you know the capital of Somalia also?
No.
Okay, the capital is Mogadishu.
Who?
Mogadishu.
Mogadishu. Oh, I've heard of that before.
You've heard of it?
did.
Where?
I don't know. Mogadishu, it just sounds familiar.
Yeah, okay. What is a person from Somalia called?
In Dutch, we call those people Somaliërs. So I don't know how you say that in English. I don't know.
No idea. No, I'm like thinking, but I have no idea. No.
They're called Somali.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
A lot of people say Somalians.
Yeah.
But they're actually Somali.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now I learned something today.
Have you heard of Somalia before?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yes.
Where?
I've heard about women in Somalia, about I think, if I'm not mistaken, of course, the sort of, how do you say it, traditional cutting women genitals, yes. So this is like only from the bad side of Somalia, but also some beautiful pictures of surroundings and the traditions in clothes, in making the huts in the desert, and just living the life they are living. It's just unbelievable how they can do it. In modern life.
Where did you watch this from? From YouTube or from TV?
Oh, from TV. Mostly from TV. From this, you could say, what's the most common National Geographic. Thank you very much. But also from people that are wandering around the whole world and showing the viewers the whole world and people they are living in. So yeah. I'm kind of interested in those views and those pictures.
What is the capital city of Somalia?
I really don't know. I really don't know.
What's the capital city? You have no idea?
No.
No idea also? It starts with an M. No, still? Have you heard of Mogadishu before?
No.
No? Never?
Never.
Do you guys do geography in school?
No.
No? Do they teach you anything about Africa in school? Really?
No.
No? Okay, so today I'm teaching you about Somalia. You guys should go home. This is your assignment from a non-school. You should go home and check Somalia out.
Yes.
Yeah? Good?
Yes.
Okay. Say hello to Somali people from...
Hello.
From where? Where are you
From the
saying that?
Netherlands.
What is the capital city of Somalia?
Capital city of Somalia. Here comes my geography. Oh my god, I cannot even say it. Geography. Oh no, I have no idea.
You?
No, I have no idea.
Have you heard of Somalia before?
Yes.
Where?
Is it in Africa? Yes, in Africa, yes. East Africa. Somaliland we know of. Yeah, the one downside is pirates, I think. Pirates, and also, yeah, Somalia. I think there's a war right there, a civil war, something like that. Like two governments don't like each other and fighting over it. And that's everything I know about Somalia.
But you don't know the capital.
No, I know not the capital city, no.
It starts with an M.
No, I have no idea, I'm sorry.
Have you heard of Mogadishu before?
No, Mogadishu, never, I'm sorry.
Never. It's the first time ever.
It's the first time, yes.
Okay, that's the capital of Somalia.
Okay, wow.
Do you know the capital city of Somalia?
No.
You've never heard of it before? Have you heard of Somalia before?
Yeah.
Where?
Here in Holland.
Yeah?
The people.
The people?
Yeah.
You've met Somalis before?
Yeah.
Okay, and you don't know the capital?
No.
Okay, the capital is Mogadishu.
Never heard of it. No.
Okay. Have you guys ever heard of Somalia before?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah? Where did you hear of Somalia?
School.
In school?
Yeah.
And you guys?
The same. Also just in school.
What's what you thought about Somalia? What did they teach you about Somalia?
The only thing I can remember that it's a country.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What else?
The only thing that I could still remember was the fact that they were living more poor than people in these type of countries than in Europe.
Okay. What else? Do you know the other information like the capital city or
No.
nothing else?
Nothing really.
Have you heard of Somalia before?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah? When did you hear of Somalia? How did you hear of Somalia?
In the news, we heard from Somalia that has to help people that are there, that they have a problem with, they don't have so much food and water, and the television, I saw a lot of that.
Yeah? What else? What else do you know about Somalia? Have you met Somali people before?
No, never.
Never?
Never.
Okay. Have you ever heard of Somalia before?
Yeah, as well. Yeah.
Where did you hear of Somalia?
I don't know, probably geography or something like this, or on the TV.
Yeah?
But I don't know anyone coming from there.
Okay, what do you know about Somalia?
Not much. Honestly, not much. No. I didn't get to explore those countries yet or go there for a trip. But I would love to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what part of Africa Somalia is?
No.
No?
No, I'm really not good with the whole continent. I usually like to explore continents if I travel there, but I haven't had the chance yet.
You've never been to Africa before?
No. No.
If you go to Africa, which country would you like to visit?
I don't have a preference. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. No, I didn't have the chance yet. If I get the chance, I would go to any country. So yeah, I'm not that picky. I think everything is very interesting. So I don't really have something in my mind. But that's, yeah, I don't know. Usually when I travel, I just pick a country and then I go. So I don't have any plans.
Till then. Good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Cool.
Welcome back, friends. We hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, you can see that media is so strong. It's a really powerful tool. Like, a lot of people don't go to other countries, and the only things they know about the country is what they see on the media, or what their friends tell them, or what they learn in school. And you can see that these things, especially about Africa, on the media are not positive things, and we're here to change that. So really, I hope that this will change, and through this video more people will learn about Somalia and also see the positive part of Somalia. Guys, also don't forget to subscribe below and share this video with your friends and join the banana gang. Have a great week and peace out.